Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a review for a covering that EVBASE sent me, and this was sent to me free of charge for the review, and I'll give you an honest review, and I'll tell you why I wanted this, and it's because of this. You see where the sill is in the car, you got carpet, and basically you can see it gets dirty really fast. It's really hard to keep up, and I'm going to vacuum this and clean it well, and then I'm going to install the protection that they sent me, and I'll be able to review it for you. So this area especially gets very dirty. I wish that these went up, but they're not. Also, this area, I wish that this area had some protection, because I like to put my foot there. All right, so we'll move on to the installation. I'll show you the parts that come with it. One thing I wish that this kit had was like a diagram to show you which one's which. Like, you know, a diagram of the car with these parts to show where they go. But I guess that's why you have videos like this, so somebody can show you. But it's interesting how they have the shape like this. Very nice. I bet you it's not easy to make. All right, so we finished the first step, which is to vacuum. If you have any floor mats, just remove it. Makes it easy to install. All right, so now let's make sure that we pick the right part to go over here. It's confusing stuff, I gotta say. All right, so the way it is it goes like this. All right, so basically try to align it. All right, bring it all forward. Try to align it like this, and then fold it. Okay, and then keep going the rest of the way. Okay, you see how it is like right now? Now you need to fold the trim over it. So we'll start with this part. It's kind of hard to do with the camera in the way. I'm just gotta lift the trim a little, and put it behind it. Okay, so just go around. Oops, I lost grip here. All right, so I got a trim tool. Hopefully that helps. If you don't have a trim tool or a kit of a trim tool, you should really have one. I'll put a link in the description. All right, so we'll get our trim tool underneath. And just like that, get this piece behind it. Goes around, and I just have the rest to do here. And this is it. Perfect fit. Now let me show you how it looks like. This is nice. So it protects all the way to the back here, all the way here, and right there. Okay, so almost looks OEM. Right, cool. Now let me put the mats in. We'll see how it looks like with the mats. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the mat installed. Okay, and this is great because what happens is if you have mud, dust, whatever, you don't want it to go in the carpet. So great solution. Now let's do the other side. I'll show you how to do the other side. Okay, so I removed all the floor mats. I vacuumed as much as I can. This was filthy, I say, because every time somebody passes here, if their feet hits this, it releases some dirt or dust and etc., and it goes into the carpet. So this is a perfect solution. Let me get the part. This part here is like that. You can even do it with one hand. No, I'm kidding. Better off do it with two hands. Okay. And again, perfect match. Look how beautiful it looks. This is how the car should have came from the factory, with this area covered. It's kind of ridiculous that it's not. All right, so let me put the floor mats back, and I'll show you how it looks with the floor mats. All right, so this is the front side done. And good. This is a very nice product. I highly recommend this. All right, so let's continue with the two other parts. All right, so for the back, I recommend that you move the front seat to the completely forward position, so you got more space, and to tilt the back seat a little forward, in an angle, so you have more clearance on the side of the C-pillar. Now, just like the one in the front, the flat part goes up. Okay, this is just an indicator for you to know. And as you can see, the one with the sharp angle goes into the B pillar. Okay, so go ahead and position it. Now, once you have roughly positioned it without pressing it too much, start putting the protector underneath the trim of the car. Just go all the way around, and don't worry about if it's, if it all fits. Just start tucking it, as you can see here, and just continue on. It will take a bit of a time, but you will be able to do it. I promise you. All right, and here I'm continuing, just tucking it under and not worrying too much about the rest of it. All right, so at this point I decided that that part that goes close to or underneath the seat need to be tucked up at this point. Otherwise it would be really hard to get it under afterwards. So here I am tucking it all the way down, 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 and pushing it in. And as I'm doing that, I am continuing to tuck it underneath the seat, and then continuing to put the trim underneath the protector. Okay? So just keep going all around. And at the end, make sure that everything fits and everything is nice and flush. Okay, and this is the end result, and I think it looks phenomenal. Honestly, this is really good stuff. The color matches everything, and it came out really, really nice. This is going to do so great when my dog goes in and out of the car. I don't have to, and she's barking in the background, and then I don't have to worry about air or dirt, or in the winter when you get mud in your feet. This will protect the carpet. In fact, it shouldn't be a carpet. It should be something like that, because carpet will get dirty and messy. All right, so we reached the end of the video. I highly recommend you got this product. I will put in a link in the description and the pinned comment where you can purchase this with a coupon code. I think it has a 20% discount, so check it out. This is essential for anybody who has the newer car that the sill is just carpet, because this is essential. This should be like an option to put from factory. All right, so have a wonderful day. If you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, click that notification bell, put in your comments, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.